At the shop today, doing some trying to find an oil leak on my truck. I pull the top of the intake off and see where the leak's at. Okay, intake is off. Okay, so intake manifold's off. What I found is the leak it's hard to see. It's in this corner of the cover. If you look into the mirror, you can actually see it's wet. So I gotta pull off this top engine plate and reseal it. Unfortunately, they stopped making the gasket for it, so I gotta use some RTV. Okay, so I found the culprit. I've never seen this before. Maybe my LS guys out there could tell me how this actually happened, but it's pretty bizarre. So the rear bolts on the plate are finger tight. I've never touched this plate, never pulled it out. But yeah, that's where the leak's coming from. These bolts are loose. I'm gonna remove the bolts and try to reseal the plate and torque it down. I've just never seen them come loose like this. Okay, that's what it looks like with the plate off. I clean that up and get it resealed. There's my gasket set from Felpro. I'm gonna get it all nice and sealed up. I'm so happy to be able to find this gasket set. Okay, here's the old gaskets. You can see these are pretty done for. Just old and brittle and no good anymore. Okay, valley plates back in, new gasket, it's all cleaned up. Just got to put my knock sensors back in, clean the intake, and get this thing back together. Alright, intake's all back together, and glad to get this oil leak fixed. I've been having this problem for quite a long time. It's nice to get it solved. Well, that was today's repair. Thanks for watching.